Hiya, just a short video here to show you the little miniature art sets that I made. So the ones that I actually showed in the previous video where I was showing you pretty much just random bits that I'd made, they're all found new homes now. So these are the new ones that I have. So this one is quite a funky tin, and you get a little book with it. So this is a sketchbook. It's got watercolour paper in it, so it's suitable for watercolour and pretty much anything else. It's really good paper. And you get an HB pencil with a rubber on the end, sharpener, a small size 1 brush. Again, it's watercolour brush because these are watercolour pencils. So you get 12 of them. These are really good. You can actually just draw straight onto the paper, like colour it in, add water afterwards, and then it creates like a watercolour picture. So this is one of my favourite sets because I do love watercolour pencils. I don't often use them, but I'm quite rubbish at using them. But yeah, I do like them. That's that set. Then this is actually one of my favourite sets because this is actually quite a large set. So again, you get the sketchbook. So this is actually normal sketch paper because this is more for a sketching, colouring type thing. And you also get some colouring sheets as well. So I've put 20 in here, all different ones, mostly flowers and things. Again, you get an HB pencil if you want to draw your own thing in the sketchbook, and then 20 different coloured pencils. So there's plenty of different variants of the colours, so you can create a little masterpiece while you're on the go, or if you're just bored you could just colour in the pages. So it's the first time making this kind of set, and I actually thought it was quite nifty to do because I haven't seen a little miniature colour set. Seen some miniature travel sets before, like to paint and things, but not this small and not specifically for colouring. And the last one I have made up is a sketch one. So again, sketch book. I'm actually quite liking the books, like landscaped ones. So I might make a few more of these ones. So you get the book, and this one you get a pencil extender. So if you can't actually use pencils this small, you just unscrew this, pop it in, screw it back up, and that tighten up, and it basically, you can hold it like a long pencil, and then you can use it until it gets right down, really small. So you just get a varied amount of pencils. I think this goes from 6H to 6B. You also get an eraser and sharpener, and that's it. So the little miniature books do a few different designs, which I'll show you. The A8 ones, those two are pretty much the same. So these two have excuse me. These two have watercolour paper in it, and they're pretty much the same. They're just the covers are different. This is kind of more shiny. They've got the same paper in them. But this one is a black paper book. The paper in this is slightly thinner, but again, this wouldn't be used for like watercolour or anything. It'll be more for pencils and stuff. So that's what you could use for that. And then also we do them in A9 as well. So these ones are super cute little ones. Again, these ones are watercolour, but can be used for practically anything. And then the black paper one. So hope you enjoyed that. If you want to make your own miniature art type on the go sets, I did have a tutorial of making like miniature books and things, so you can check those out. I'll put a link in the description and probably at the end of this video. And yeah, so make your own if you want to, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.